instead of trying to find our terminal gate, here we are. Trying on Sunnies. Like, super dami naming time. Wise. Scallops. Asuka. First time ko kumain ito.
Meron pa kami nga nung magtakma sa amin, bro. Diyan sa market, sa tabi. Tsaka doon sa market, Tantaya. Doon lagi ako sa market. Gusto mo daw, guys. Ay. Meron kami.
40? 640. Kailangan nyo ng 40 sa akin? Sige, wait lang.
Kuha ko kami ng ano, ma'am.
Teka lang.
Huwag na, ito na lang muna. Kasi dadaan talaga kami.
Yun na muna. Sandali Converse ko. Itlog.
Itlog, andito kasi pinang-stand mo.
Ay, oo nga.
Nakalagay ito.
Pero ito mo, steam lang siya.
Ito yung gusto ko.
Ang ano yan, Mamsi, halatang parang ngayong umaga lang siya kinuha. Sarap. Actually, it tastes weird. I don't know if I like it. Pero I keep on eating. Maubos ko na yung isang bag. Tatlo yung naman itong bag, 100.
What's the verdict?
So refreshing.
Oh my God! Excited na.
Happy birthday.
Thank you po.
Officially day 1, day 2.
Hindi ko na.
Sobrang pagod kami no from yesterday's escapade. Hindi na namin alam.
Biyahe kasi,
Oo. Grabe, tagal din ng biyahe namin. 1.5 hours going to Cebu. And then from Cebu going to Hagnaya. 3 hours? 4. 3 to 4 hours. And then from Hagnaya to Santa Fe, 1.5. So, oh my goodness. Can you imagine how tired we are yesterday? So, ngayon kami officially mag-e-enjoy.
Lahat nag-work ka ba?
Hindi ko alam if this is gonna make it to a vlog, but
We'll see.
going to the beach. We're going to the beach.
May orientation kay humawa pa open sa class. Parang dapat may konting hair na nakalabas. Asan ba yung mas maganda? Kinikilig ako. Andito kami sa Camp Sawi or Mangrove Garden as what they call it here. And ewan ko it's not really much of a view. Like, it's not super Instagrammable. Pero I appreciate it so much. Like, ang ganda. Nagaganda, no?
Pakita ko sa inyo yung nakikita ko ngayon. Sobrang relaxing lang. Iba talaga yung nagagawa ng nature, no? Pakita ko. See? Ang simple lang, di ba? Pero ang ganda, ang chill. Yan, medyo makulimlim lang ngayon. Let me just share something, no? We're currently in Bantayan Island in Cebu to celebrate my birthday. And I actually came up with this birthday list of the things I wanna do during my birthday. Nung 19 yata ako, I told myself na once I reach my 20s, I would celebrate my birthday differently every year. Instead of doing it traditionally na kain lang sa labas, celebrate with friends or family, ganon. I wanna do something differently every year para memorable siya every year. So, for the past years, I was able to go to Enchanted Kingdom to celebrate with my high school best friends. Umattend ako ng concert with my best friend. And then recently, I went on a solo travel to Davao. And then, ano pa ba? Nag-beach ako kasama yung firstborn ko and my sister. So, that's right now, on my 31st birthday, we're in Cebu. I'm traveling with my friend. And it's actually the first time na ginawa ko to ulit. Kasi, the last time that I actually traveled with a friend, that was like way back in 2016, 2015 pa. Ngayon, yung friend na kasama ko is my actual close work friend. Kaya, sobrang exciting. And first time ko din sa Cebu, that's why. So, ayun. Next year, hopefully, gusto ko magpakain ng mga stray dogs. That's part of my list. And meron pang iba actually, and I'm actually thinking if I should document it or not. Pero I don't know. I think when you're already an adult, you reach a certain age wherein you just want to enjoy the moment and not document much. But at the same time, you want to look back on something. Kaya mas maganda pa din na mag-document. So I'm actually torn. But we'll see. I don't want to pressure myself. Ito yung aking kasama. Yes, girl. Saktong ang ba? Sa vlog, oo. If this will make it on YouTube, yes, kasama ka sa vlog.
Tsaka sa...
Yes. It's our destination. It's Campuagi. Girl, yes, girl. Work it. Campuagi. Beach! Saya ko lang. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito sa ano na to. I was so mesmerized to even ask anong lugar to. Okay, let's go. Dribble. Ganda dito sa Cota Beach. Oh my God. I could seriously live here. One at a time. We're gonna get there.
Ito na actually yung last stop namin after the 5 destinations. Actually, yung pang-5 hindi na namin pinuntahan kasi sobrang daming tao, which is yung Ogtong Cave. Based sa mga nakikita ko sa TikTok, it's not really much of a view. Kaya hindi ko skip na namin yun. So, I think tapos naman na kami mag-picture taking dito. And soak in the place ng gantong oras. It's already almost 2 p.m. I think. So, babalik na kami sa resort, have lunch. And then, pahinga muna kami. Lalabas na lang kami mamayang hapon or gabi siguro. To have drinks. Yeah! Kasi sa lubong ng birthday ko mamayang gabi. So, oh, mag-dribble ka ba? Cheers! Kahit hindi pa naka-open. Tawagin mo siya dito. Hi! Good morning. Medyo putol-putol yung update natin today, no? Last night, we went out para salubungin yung birthday ko. So, we had some drinks and hindi ako nakapag-vlog actually ng tulad ng ganito kasi it was too dark. Kasi naglalakad lang kami along the shoreline sa may beach eh. Kasi andun banda yung ibang bars. And medyo mahirap mag-record sa dilim. We were very careful while walking kasi sakto meron pa kami nakitang ahas sa buhangin. Diyos ko. Oh, takot pa naman ako sa ahas, you know. Imagine kung nag-vlog ako nung time na yun, baka natapakan ko pa yung ahas. Sorry. So, sakto pa medyo maingay kasi may live band dun sa lugar na napuntahan namin. But yeah, kahit pa paano, we were still able to enjoy last night even though ang ending is natulog kami bago mag-midnight. Kasi medyo maaga kaming nag-inom, tas kahapon medyo napagod kami, no, for some reason. So yeah, today, ang plano namin is island hopping kami. Kahit sa Virgin Island lang naman talaga yung pupuntahan namin, no. Nag-iisang isla lang naman siya.
Island hop.
Yeah, island hop. And we plan, if we get lucky na makakuha ng boat going there, na to enjoy and spend as much time on the beach as we possibly can. Kasi nung kahapon nag-land tour kami, although may mga beaches din naman kami na pinuntahan, we weren't able to swim kasi napakalakas ng alon, as in meron kaming isang beach doon na napuntahan na talagang bumaba kami na pwede ka actually mag-swimming eh, if you're brave enough. Pero in my case, I'm not brave enough. And gusto ko kasi dalawa kami ng friend ko na magsuswimming. So yeah, we're just off to get breakfast. Hello ate. Meron to kayo silog? Okay. Okay. Wala silang top silog. What the? Oh my gosh. Charot. Long silog na lang siguro. Ay, hindi. Corn silog na lang ako.
Alam mo,
Parehas
talaga tayo.
Oh my gosh. Ate, dalawang corn silog. Tapos, may coffee po kayo?
Free na niya siya coffee na.
Ah, free? Okay. That's good. Yun na po ate, please. Tas, ayan, yun lang po. Tas ate, may yung glasses dun sa lagayan ng... Yung sa may... May tubig. Ah, meron. Okay. Thank you. Natawa sa akin si ate, hindi ko ma-explain ng maayos yung ibig ko sabihin. Sabi ko, may I badly need coffee, you know. Hindi tayo makapag-communicate ng maayos pag hindi pa tayo nakakapagkape. What the hell?
Ganun na yung palpitation natin.
So, backstory, no?
Swimming tayo, gumagano.
Kusang gumagana yun din. Di kasi kami mahilig sa strong coffee. Ang sinerve sa amin is black. So, pinapalitan niya yung coffee. So, ayun. Share ko lang Hindi kasi ako mahilig kumain ng silog or anything na isa lang yung itlog. Kailangan dalawa. Dalawa talaga or else I'm not gonna eat. Charot. So, look what I got myself as a birthday gift, no? Ganun tayo kahilig sa itlog. Pa-music si Kuya. Bigyan natin siya. Kuya, Thank you po. Ingat po. Ayan na siya. Sayang wala man ng sampapatatas. Literal na as is. Pero alam mo, magwawala talaga pag literal na corn yung nandito, ma'am. Literal na corn. Hindi corn beef, putik. Sup? It's already 12 noon. So, we're gonna try our luck sa tourism office if we would be able to get a boat going to Virgin Island. Kasi yun lang talaga yung target na gagawin namin for today. Which is, yun nga, swimming, island hop. And given the weather right now na medyo makulimlim, hopefully talaga makakuha kami and we get to enjoy the island kahit medyo makulimlim, no? And pinagdadasal ko talaga to the high heavens na sana hindi umulan ng sobrang today or siguro kahit ilang oras lang habang nandun kami sa Virgin Island. Kasi di ba, that's the only chance we get para makapag-enjoy and mag-swimming. Sabi sa weather forecast, around 5 p.m. daw uulan. And for sure, by that time, nakabalik na kami dito sa hotel. So, ayun. Fingers crossed talaga. So, dito muna magpapa-register for the island hopping. Parang yan yung, tourism office na mag-a-assist for the boat arrangements. And then, andito yung mga boats. So, ang sabi sa amin ng tourism coordinator, hindi daw pwede ang sharing for the tour. Kasi yung capacity ng boat, di ba, like probably around mga 6 yata yung capacity. So, we were thinking na baka may naghahanap din ng ka-join, ganon. So, yun sana yung i-avail namin. But it turns out, hindi siya pwede. So, kailangan per boat, per group of guests siya. So, ayun. And sinyerte naman kami kasi hindi kinancel yung mga island tours in spite of the weather na medyo maulan. Tuloy ang ating island adventure and I'm so excited. So, a little information lang, no. Pinakamura na boat is around 1,200. I'm not sure if that's already for a group o dahil dalawa lang kami nung kasama ko. You can stay for 4 hours dun sa Virgin Island. Included na yun sa bayad sa boat. 4 hours yung minimum. But if you wish to extend for another hour, that's 200 per hour daw yung idadagdag sa boatman. And then, dun sa 2 other destinations, yung lagoon, saka yung isa pang snorkeling area nila, you have to add 200 yata. 200 per destination. Basta overall, Virgin Island, yung lagoon, at saka yung snorkeling area, ang package niya is 1,800 in total. Sobrang cute size lang ng boat namin, na good for 2 people. Thank you, Lord, for the good weather! Hello, Virgin Island. Oh my gosh. Yay! We're here! I'm so happy. Actually, going here, medyo maalon siya, no? Yeah, girl asked for hangin. Mother Nature delivered. Yeah, yun nga. Yung table, Mams. No, I think mas okay to. At least, oh my gosh, Mams, mas gusto ko dito. Hindi ko makontain yung kilig ko, no? Kasi, parang for the past few months, I've been seeing TikToks about Bantayan Island, and now here I am with my friend on my birthday. Like, oh my gosh! Birthday! Oh my God! Ma'am, sinakain ko na naman. Happy birthday! May palibreng breakfast. Charot! I'm so happy. Mabayad mo na ako ng table namin. I'm so happy. Grabe, sobrang hangin dito as in. Hindi na ako nagre-reklamo, no? Okay na tong sobrang hangin kesa sa sobrang ulan. Galit ka pa? Oo, na hindi talaga kami makakaswim at all. Pero, oh my gosh. We're just soaking it all in. I could seriously live here. Actually, ayoko na umuwi ng Manila eh. You know? Ayoko na umuwi ng Manila. Kung pwede lang talaga. Kaso, it doesn't work that way. And oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, do you see that? That's a real net! Hindi na kami magpe-pretend na walang net. Pero, we're gonna play, pero invisible pa din yung bola. Oo nga. Medyo intense yung game. Promise ayoko na umuwi. Ayoko na umuwi! Ayan, kakatapos lang natin mag-swim. No, actually kanina pa, like siguro mga 15 minutes ago. Hindi na ako masyado nakapag-film while we were swimming kasi wala lang. I just wanna soak everything in while we're both here. And parang bago kami nag-swimming, nag-picture na kami, nag-video na kami lahat. Para pag nag-swimming na kami, we're gonna fully enjoy it. So, ayun, wala akong na-film na nag-swimming kami. Pero, so, oh my God, I'm so weak for a cute dog. Sobrang cute. So, ayun, chill lang kami dito. Ayan, kami ni Mom. Nakaupo lang dito sa aming table under the palm tree. Ayoko na talagang umuwi. Bye, Virgin Island! Was good while it lasted! Good morning! Actually, right now, we're headed back to Cebu City. Tomorrow na kasi yung flight namin, early morning flight. So, para hindi kami maghabol, ngayon na kami babalik ng Cebu City. And, yung panahon din kasi yung medyo concern namin, no? Kaya ganito kaaga kami aalis dito. And at the same time, kasi yung travel time din medyo matagal. Okay, we're just gonna have our last breakfast here in Bantayan Island. And then, yun na. Alis na kami. Sobrang mamimiss ko tong chill view na to from our balcony. Ayan. Actually, pareho kami na parang di pa at all ready to go back to reality. Damn.
Kahit naman may one day.
Oo, kahit pa may one day pa kami sa Cebu. It doesn't really feel like it's a day kasi we're just gonna be traveling. Saktong pahinga lang. Tapos ako mag-work ako. Buti pa siya naka-leave. mag-grab na lang kami papunta dun sa bed and breakfast na pagsistayan namin for the night before our flight. In fairness, mas mabilis yung travel time ngayon.
Oo. Kahit late umalis.
Oo. Mas mabilis yung travel time pabalik from Santa Fe to Hagnaya for some reason.
Mabilis
Hindi
silang
ko alam.
patakbo.
Oo. Hindi ko alam kung nagmamadali sila dahil ba baka possibly tumaas yung wave or what. Pero thank God mas mabilis. And sana mapuno agad yung bus na to para makaalis kami agad dito. Kasi 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours yung biyahe. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be another long day for us. So, habang hindi pa umaandar yung bus, kakain na muna kami ng aming packed lunch. Yes! Share ko lang, no? Sobrang humble lang ng lunch namin, no? As in, silog meal lang. Tapos nakakatuwa kasi, pinabaunan pa kami ng tubig nung ni ate. Ito lang naman yung meal ko. O, diba? Simple lang. Para madaling kainin habang bumabiyahe. Stop! So, alas 4 ko na, no? Nasa Cebu na kami, pero wala pa kami sa mismong babaan ng bus. And hapon na. Oh my goodness. So, sobrang aga namin gumising. Wala rin pala, no? Abutin din pala kami ng hapon sa daan. Pagbaba namin, pupunta lang kami ng SM saglit. And then, pupunta na kami dun sa bed and breakfast na accommodation namin. And then, lalabas kami, bibili kami ng pasalubong. So, yun lang yung last agenda namin dito sa Cebu. Hopefully not. Sana hindi. Hopefully hindi. Makulimlim lang the entire time. Kasi may bagyo ata somewhere up north sa Luzon. Yung one last day namin dito sa Cebu, wala. Talagang nakain lang sa travel. Nakain lang talaga. Sayang. Kasi siguro kung medyo maaga-aga kami dumating dito, like probably around after lunch, like mga 2 p.m., 3 p.m. Siguro kahit papano okay na mag-explore na konti. Pero around the city lang, hindi na kami masyadong lalayo. Hey! Dito kami sa market. Daming danggit chef. It's so overwhelming. Sobrang daming options. Meron lahat. Ay, check pa. Ang daming danggit. Grabe, oh. Iba-ibang klase. Astig. So, finally, nakarating na kami sa bed and breakfast accommodation namin. And it's so humble, it's so nice. Sobrang homey niya. Ayan. O, diba? May pa sala reception pa. Mini sala reception. Ang cute. Ano lang siya actually? Parang studio unit. Yeah. Except, it doesn't have a private bathroom inside. Shared bathroom siya. Nasa tapat lang ng pinto namin, which is good. Ang cute! Ang cute sobra. Malapit to sa airport. The accommodation is called Little Norway's Guest House. Tama ba? Guest house ba? Basta Little Norway. Little Norway yung name ng accommodation. And I think I found them on Google Map nung naghahanap ako ng accommodation na malapit sa airport. Tapos, budget friendly lang. Tapos, ang bait nung may-ari. Foreigner yung may-ari. His name is JJ and he's so nice and he's very accommodating. Mapapagod lang kami, no? Parang gusto lalak namin na pumalakda. Pero kasi kailangan pa namin mag-dinner bago kami totally magpahinga. And ako, in my case, kailangan ko mag-work. Grabe, ganun yung level ng pagod namin. Like, kaninang umaga pa kami gising. Like, more than 12 hours na kaming... We're literally gonna die, yeah. Sino yung kasama ko? Nawala na. I cannot believe our trip is over. almost over. Dito na kami ulit sa Mactan Airport and we're just gonna wait to board our flight or our plane. Damn! Parang ano lang, I can't help but feel sad, no? Ganun naman ata talaga every time mag-e-end ang isang bakasyon, no? Kasi I've been looking forward for this vacation for months. And then when it finally came, sobrang happy ko. And now that it's almost over, syempre nakakalungkot. Hindi pa ako sure kung kailan ako makakapagbakasyon ulit. Given my situation na I have 2 kids to look over, no? Kasi I'm a full-time mom. Pero, kung kailan man yun, I cannot wait to plan it. Mapasolo man or may kasama. Boarding our flight! Thank you, Cebu! Thank you!